Dadaji says his lecture in USA. So in our heart of hearts, we should feel that when Babaji has drawn us to him, it is not merely a joke. You see that if he has drawn us, he must certainly be interested in our welfare. He wants us to be worthy of something. If we have this faith or trust in the Guru, then then that would be the most valuable, most precious thing for our spiritual journey, for our future growth and development. Namaskar friends, this is Raman here. Welcome to my channel Baba Neem Karoli. Today I am going to tell you how you can reach Kachi from anywhere in the world. You can reach Kachi, first of all you have to come to India, obviously. You have to come to Delhi. And from Delhi you can catch, there are two trains running from Delhi. One is Shatabdi, Kathgodam Shatabdi, which is one running in the morning. And then in the night there is one train called Ranikhet Express. These are the two trains which are very comfortable, very easy to board, and then the rush is not there. So you can anytime get the ticket when it is not the season, like not in the month of June, but anytime, any other time. So these are the trains. The Ranikhet starts in the night from Old Delhi station. Shatabdi starts in the morning from New Delhi station. So you can get reservation easily in any of them, and you can reach to Kathgodam. From Kathgodam you will have to take any taxi. You can take the government bus or private buses. You can have a share cab, share taxi. There are many taxis plying over the road from Kathgodam to Kachi. I would like to tell you my own story. A friend of mine which is very close, somebody who is very close to us, his name is Arun Sharma ji. So he told me that why don't you go to Kachi someday. So I thought, what is Kachi, like why should I go? So he gave me a book. The book was Rahasmay Neem Karoli, Rahasyadarshi Neem Karoli Baba. That book is of Vrindavan Ashram. So I just read that book, and I told to Sudhaji that like we have to go. And she said that she planned to go earlier, but she was not able to go. So I said maybe we will give it a try. Let us see what happens. So we booked the tickets, and then after booking the tickets, somebody in her family passed away. Those days when I remember, my heart just comes out, fills with love, joy, tears. I don't know what to say. So she went there, she went to Dehradun, and then she had to come to Kathgodam. She took a bus from there in the heat of June. It was, I think, May or June in the month, it was the month of May, exactly. It was 13th or 14th of May when we came to Kachi. And the entire day was the day of Babaji. So why I am saying this? Because you have to hear the whole story. She came from there. I was in Kathgodam, so we met and we started for Kachi. And then what mistake we did was we took only one side cab. So that cab wala dropped us at Kachi, and then we thought because we will easily get bus or something to go back. The train was in the night, the returning train. So we went to Kachi, and for the first time when I saw Kachi Dham, obviously there are no words to explain. So there is no need to explain what you feel when you go to Kachi. This is Kakri Ghat from where I am making this video. There is one more temple called Bhumiyadhar. So if you are coming to Kachi, you have to come here to Kakri Ghat also, and you have to go to Kachi Dham, and then to Bhumiyadhar temple also. While coming from Kathgodam, if you will tell that taxi person to go from the Joli Court Road, just tell him that you have to go from Joli Court Road, then he will take you to Bhavali, and before Bhavali you will get that Bhumiyadhar temple, which was also built by Maharaj Ji. This is again built by Maharaj Ji. Kachi Dham is again built by Maharaj Ji. Everywhere is Maharaj Ji only. My love. So I don't get to, I'm so excited to make this video, but yes, maybe I'm not able to express my joy in proper words. But you have to excuse me for that, because when you will come to Kachi, the same thing is going to happen to you also. So me and Sudhaji were waiting outside the temple. It was evening. Many buses were coming, many buses were coming, but not a single bus stopped. There were many share taxis that were coming, but not a single stopped, and we started to get afraid literally, because It was getting late. We had to catch a train. But suddenly, when we lost every hope and she started to pray, I started to pray. I believe I did or not, I don't remember. But she started. So a car came. Two gentlemen were there and they asked me what happened, because I said we are not getting any mode of commutation to Kathgodam. So they said that we are going, so if you want you can have a ride with us. So they not only took us to Kathgodam, but before that they took us to Nana Devi temple, they took us to Golu Devta temple, they took us to Hanumangarh. It was such a day, and they told us that it is very common here, it is only by the wish of Babaji you can come, it is only by the wish of Babaji, anything can happen, not only here, anywhere in the world. If he has taken you in his sharan, if his grace is upon you, then everything will happen by his own wish. If he loves you, if he likes you, then your life is going to change. These were not completely their words, these are now my words. And because I have felt it in my heart, I have felt it in my life. Please come to Kachi, please come to Kakri Ghat, please come to Bhumiyadhar temple, please go to Vrindavan ashram, Farukhabad, Dadaji's home in Prayagraj, which was earlier Allahabad. So you will have a very wonderful time. These places, they are so beautiful, so serene, they will give you so much of joy in the heart. And then it's not that anybody, so many people come to Kachi, but it's only, Babaji does not grace everybody, it seems. He calls many people. Out of the one, I read this in a book by Krishna Das. But I believe anybody who is coming to Kachi is graced by Maharaj Ji. So friend, this was my simple story, my first journey to Kachi Dham. And then we made it a routine. Every month we used to go to Kachi Dham. And I am sure if you are somewhere in India, somewhere nearby Kachi Dham, then every month you will also come. Even if you come or not, that is not the issue. The love, the joy, that small light of joy, that will remain in your heart forever if you come to any of these places. I know that I have not been able to explain you properly, but yes, there are no words, nobody can explain it properly other than Dadaji, Krishna Das, Ram Das. They were the blessed people. We are just idiots who Maharaj Ji has shown his grace upon us, but we are nobody. We don't mean anything, we don't carry anything, any knowledge with us, we don't have anything to give to you, just these simple informations. Namaskar.